Oh my god.
It is an absolute river monster. Yes! Fish is in the boat.
This alligator gar is the biggest fish I've ever seen.
This fish measures almost 8 feet in length and is close to 220 pounds. If that doesn't define a river monster, I don't know what does. I can barely fit my arms all the way around it. It feels like I'm holding on to a dolphin, or probably more accurately to say holding on to something that is a dinosaur. Remember, these creatures have been on the planet for over 100 million years. Look at the size of this fish's head.